Huawei's popular Nova series is back with another trendy flagship packing smart and powerful features that takes mobile photography with 64-megapixel quad camera and performance to the next 5G level. This is the Huawei Nova 7 5G, Huawei's latest addition to its innovative 5G consumer product range. Get creative with the Huawei Nova 7 5G 64-megapixel quad camera that packs impressive AI features and versatile lenses to let you take a variety of stunning images and stabilized 4K video. You'll be able to take ultra-high-definition 64-megapixel shots with the main lens, get close to subjects with the built-in 20x digital zoom and macro lens, or capture more of a scene with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide snapper. When it gets dark, the camera gears into super night mode, which lets you take clean, long exposure shots at night with just your hands acting as a tripod, allowing you to take clear pictures and stable videos at nighttime. The Nova series has always been known to have the best selfie cameras in the market, and the Nova 7 5G is no different. Equipped with a 32-megapixel wide aperture lens and backed by powerful AI features, you can take breathtaking selfies with a slew of effects to spice things up and record immaculate videos for your vlogs. This brings us to the Nova 7 5G's most exciting feature, dual view video mode. It lets you capture video from both front and rear cameras at the same time, so you can record your reaction to a live scene without having to use two devices. Powering the Nova 7 5G's remarkable camera and AI prowess is Huawei's cutting-edge Kirin 985 chipset, coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. The embedded 5G modem brings blazing fast data speeds and stable connections, and the dual SIM with smart SIM switching swiftly chooses the SIM with the best connection. Keeping the phone going for an entire day or more is its sizable 4000 mAh battery, equipped with Huawei's 40-watt supercharge technology, which fills up to 75% of battery life in just 30 minutes. The Nova 7 5G also offers an exceptional user experience thanks to the latest version of Huawei's EMUI 10.1, which includes a slew of handy features like ebook mode and GPU Turbo that boosts the game performance for smoother and more responsive gameplay. You'll get access to favorite apps with the pre-installed Huawei app gallery that brings you a rich library of apps from top app developers. And with the Huawei's new Petal Search widget, you can open a gateway to even more apps to quickly find the apps that are most important to you. Petal Search is an innovative search engine that locates and aggregates information, delivering the most accurate and relevant results for each user. Just search for the app you're looking for on the home screen widget and you'll get a list of apps from multiple sources, allowing you to fully manage and personalize your smartphone experience. The Nova 7 5G has a stunning design that's both lightweight and premium. With curved edges around the sides and a weight of only 180 grams, the phone is comfortable to hold and use with one hand. The mesmerizing depth effect on the back of the phone is realized by stacking several layers of nano-coated colored film to create a translucent look. The Nova 7 5G comes in three colors: space silver, midsummer purple, and black. Over on the front, there's a vibrant 6.53-inch OLED display which supports Huawei's always-on display and a convenient in-screen fingerprint scanner that keeps your phone secure and unlocks the screen in a flash. The Nova 7 5G is available to purchase across Huawei Experience stores and Huawei's online website for 1,799 dirhams.